Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see the theory on ozone depletion potential. As we all know that ozone protect earth from the UV rays of sun. So we have to control the ozone depletion by using the refrigerants which are ozone friendly. We are using the refrigerants, some of are ozone friendly and some of are destroying the ozone. So we have to prevent using the refrigerant which deplete the ozone. Here it is written that the ODP is the number that refers to the amount of stratospheric ozone depletion caused by the substance. Means ozone depletion potential is a number by which we cannot know the potential to deplete the ozone. The refrigerant with 0.01 ODP is safer than the refrigerant with 1.0 ODP. So we have to select the refrigerant with less ODP. The chlorine based refrigerant, which are also known as halogens, have more ODP. It is shown 10. 10 means having very much ozone depletion potential. Carbon tetrachloride has ODP 1.2. 1.2 means it has highest potential to deplete the ozone layer. HCFC have 0 ODP. 0 ODP means safer. ODP is less, so it is safe for the ozone layer. Here definition of ozone depletion potential is given. I am reading, just listen. The ODP of any refrigerant is defined as the ratio of total amount of ozone destroyed by the first amount of refrigerant to the amount of ozone destroyed by the same mass of R11 as follows. Here it is given that ozone loss because of R means refrigerant, ozone loss because of R11 refrigerant, CFC are considered to be fully halogenated. Halogenated means having highest proportion of halogen. More halogen means, as discussed, more destruction of ozone. So we have to avoid the refrigerant with more halogen. Here it is shown that chlorine, fluorine, bromine are dangerous refrigerant. The refrigerant which contain chlorine, fluorine, bromine are dangerous for the ozone layer. So we have to prefer hydrogen based refrigerants which are safer. We have seen that hydrogen based refrigerants are safer. So here we will see that which are they. R22, R123, R124, R141B, R142B, they are not fully halogenated and are less stable than CFC. They are not fully halogenated, so they are safer for our ozone layer. So we have to prefer HCFC instead of CFC. Okay. Here it is shown that the computed ODP value of HCFC refrigerants are very low. Means ozone depletion potential value of HCFC are 0.01 to 0.08 are very low, and for the CFC are 0.7 to 1. It is very much high. We cannot say very much, but it is very much high. So we cannot use CFC. Also government have banned the CFC refrigerants in many countries. Along with many countries it is banned CFC, and the researches are going for HCFC, and also HCFC is used in the market. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.